Welcome to Nari Sikhi, and today let's make dosa, very healthy fermented ones but less urad dal. So let's see how to do this. So I have taken here 2 cups of rice and 1 tablespoon of fenugreek seeds, methi, and 1/4 cup of urad dal. So this we are going to rinse it 2 to 3 times in water and then soak it in fresh water. Soak it for about 5 to 6 hours, and then we are going to blend it. This is what we have after 5 to 6 hours. They are nicely soaked. Now when we are blending it, we are going to add 1 cup of cooked rice. I have used brown rice because I had already brown rice, but if you use white rice, the color will be super white. So all this will go into the blender. So first I'm blending urad dal and cooked rice to a very fine paste, and you can add a little bit of water, but the batter should be thick and not very thin because the fermentation is better. So this is urad dal and rice. Now I'm going to blend rice and fenugreek seeds, methi, blend it very fine, and this is ready. Now I'm going to add salt. Salt is helps the fermentation process, but if it's summer season, you can add salt after the fermentation, or if it's winter rainy season, then you can add salt before, so it ferments very nicely. So it depends on the weather where you're adding salt. Stir it very nicely right now. After fermentation, not much, but now you stir it very nicely for at least 4 to 5 minutes, and then keep it for fermentation in a warm place for 7 to 8 hours. And this is what I have. After 7 to 8 hours, it's fermented very nicely. Let me show you the close up. So it's nice and thick. So if you have not added salt before, then you add it now. So apply oil on the, I've taken iron pan, so make sure it's hot. Now pour the dosa batter and spread it very little because we are looking for a thick dosa, not a thin one. So spread it very little. You can make any sizes. Cover and cook for 2 to 3 minutes. It doesn't take much time. And once you flip it, you don't even need to cover it, but if you want to cover it, you can cover it. But even on the other side, it just for 1 or 2 minutes, it gets cooked very easily, and they're soft and fluffy. So now let's go for the next one. Same thing you do, and you can make the bigger one, but not very thin, little bit thicker. So this way you can make the dosa. Some of the tips I would like to share is, once you make the batter, stir it very nicely before fermentation. After fermentation, avoid stirring it much. Stir it as much as needed. Salt will enhance the fermentation process, so add salt. Keep it in a warm place for fermentation, and make sure your pan or griddle is very hot, and then you lower the temperature to medium, but first keep it hot and then make it medium. And the pan should be hot all the time when doing this dosa, and you don't have to cook it very much, 2 to 3 minutes on first side and 2 minutes on the other side. So do try this and follow all these tips, and let me know if you have any questions or comments. And so this has become so fluffy and nice and soft. So please subscribe Nari Sikhi for more videos, and have a wonderful day. Thank you.